If you're tired all the time, and I mean really tired, not just the I need more coffee, but the no amount of sleep seems to help, and your doctor even says that your blood work is fine, the problem is likely in your gut. Hi, I'm Leilani. I'm a clinical nutritionist and a gut health chef, and I'm going to show you why chronic fatigue often starts in your gut, the common signs to watch out for, the foods triggering the fatigue, and what you can do about it. So here's what nobody tells you. Your gut is responsible for extracting nutrients from food and turning them into energy. When your gut isn't working properly, you can eat all the right foods and still feel exhausted because your body can't actually absorb what you're eating. Your gut lining has tiny finger-like projections called villi. These absorb nutrients from your food into your bloodstream. But when your gut is inflamed or damaged, these villi get flattened and they can't do the job. So you end up deficient in iron, B vitamins, magnesium, all the nutrients you need for the energy production pathways. But it gets worse. When your gut microbiome is out of balance, bad bacteria produce toxins like lipopolysaccharides. These toxins leak through your damaged gut lining into your bloodstream and trigger your immune system to go into battle. So your body goes into constant low-grade inflammation mode, and this also causes brain fog. And inflammation is exhausting. Your body is essentially fighting a war 24/7. So that's why you wake up tired, why you're tired all day, and why you're too tired to sleep properly at night. Your immune system is burning through all your energy trying to deal with the inflammation coming from your gut. Now, I had a client who slept 10 hours a night and still needed 2 naps a day. Her blood work was normal. Doctors told her it was stress or depression. But when we fixed her gut, within 3 weeks, she had normal energy levels for the first time in 5 years. Her gut was the problem the whole time. So how do you know if your fatigue is gut related? Here are the signs. First, you're tired no matter how much sleep you get. 8 hours, 10 hours, it doesn't matter. You wake up exhausted and you need coffee just to make your own coffee. That's because sleep quality depends on your gut health. And your gut produces neurotransmitters that regulate sleep cycles. And when that production is disrupted, your sleep isn't restorative anymore. Second, you get extremely tired after you eat. If you need a nap after your meals, your gut is struggling to digest your food. Instead of giving you energy, digestion is draining you because your gut is inflamed and working overtime. Third, you have other digestive symptoms alongside the fatigue. Maybe it's bloating, irregular bowel movements, sometimes stomach cramps. These aren't separate issues. They're all connected to the same problem of a gut dysfunction. Fourth, you've been tested for thyroid problems, anemia, and other common causes of fatigue, but everything just keeps coming back normal. That's because standard blood work doesn't look at gut health markers. You could have severe gut dysbiosis, and your routine blood work will actually look okay. Fifth, you crave sugar and caffeine constantly. That's your body desperately trying to get energy because your gut isn't extracting energy from your food properly. But the sugar and the caffeine actually makes the gut problem worse, creating a vicious cycle. I know it's not fair. So if 3 or more of these sound familiar, your gut is very likely the reason you are always tired. Now let me know in the comments what symptoms you're constantly battling. When I had SIBO, it was bloating every single day. Now let's talk about what's sabotaging your energy through your gut. First, gluten. Now, if you're sensitive, which most people are because we don't prepare grains the right way anymore to reduce the harmful compounds, so even if you don't have celiac disease, non-celiac gluten sensitivity can damage your gut lining and prevent nutrient absorption. So you eat a sandwich, you get bloated, and you feel like you need a nap. That's inflammation draining your energy. Second, processed food with additives. Emulsifiers, preservatives, artificial colors, they damage your gut microbiome. They kill beneficial bacteria, increase intestinal permeability, leaky gut. Your gut microbes send SOS signals to your brain, and your energy and mood crash. Third, high sugar foods. Sugar feeds bad bacteria and creates massive blood sugar swings. Every time your blood sugar crashes, you feel exhausted. Plus, bad bacteria produce toxins that make you more tired. So sugar is a double energy drain. Fourth, alcohol. Even moderate drinking damages your gut lining. It kills some of the beneficial bacteria. It also interferes with nutrient absorption, especially B vitamins. So they are crucial for energy production. Fifth, foods you're intolerant to but keep eating. So it could be dairy, eggs, soy, even tomatoes. When you eat foods your body reacts to, your immune system activates, inflammation increases, and your energy tanks. You might not even realize you're reacting because your fatigue feels so normal to you now. So here's your action plan to bring your energy back by start healing your gut. Step 1, identify your food triggers. Food intolerance tests are not reliable. The best way is to use a diet symptom diary for a week to notice which foods constantly trigger symptoms for you. Step 2, go on a short-term elimination plan, 2 to 4 weeks maximum. Remove the gluten, the dairy, the processed foods, the sugar, and the alcohol. I know this sounds extreme, but chronic fatigue is extreme and it's debilitating. Give your gut a break from the foods that are damaging it. Step 3, after the 2 to 4 weeks, bring in one food group at a time to see if you still react. You have to get the best quality. So for example, get a piece of proper artisan sourdough instead of the supermarket ultra-processed bread when you start. Step 4, slowly introduce the right foods to feed your gut microbiome. Prebiotic fibers and fermented foods to rebuild diversity and resilience. Now, if you're dealing with multiple severe symptoms like chronic fatigue, but plus brain fog or headaches, skin issues, digestive problems, you likely need to go beyond just eliminating gluten and dairy. Because there are common trigger foods that might be keeping you stuck. So things like high histamine or FODMAP, high FODMAP foods, nightshades, even healthy foods like legumes, eggs, or nuts that your compromised gut can't handle right now. And so that's exactly why I created a master gut reset and repair protocol. It goes deeper than the basic elimination diet because when you have multiple symptoms, you need a more targeted approach. And this protocol includes comprehensive elimination lists. It's got complete meal plans, shopping lists, recipes you'll actually enjoy, symptom trackers, and cheat sheets for every stage of the elimination, in reintroduction, and even some long-term maintenance. This makes the process simple and systematic, especially when you're already exhausted and you're dealing with brain fog. So this is the roadmap that I use with my private clients without having to figure it all out yourself. So I'll put the links below if you want more information. Now, gut healing takes time. You didn't develop chronic fatigue overnight and you will not fix it overnight. But you should start to see improvements steadily week by week. Maybe the brain fog starts to clear, energy starts coming back, digestion improves. So these are signs your gut is healing and your nutrients are being absorbed. Be patient with yourself. You'll get there as long as you have a plan. So if you're exhausted and nothing else has worked, start with your gut. Try the basic elimination plan for 4 weeks, track your energy levels, and if you have multiple symptoms and need a targeted approach, check out my protocol. Now, comment and tell me which food group you are gonna struggle to have a break from the most. I gotta say, mine is wine. I'm Leilani. Until next time, love your guts.